I have the world's thinnest, wispiest fringe ever. Now, if you're like me and you want your hair to look thicker and fuller, especially around your fringe and hairline, use this. It's called Raise the Root. I use it on myself. I use it on my clients. I literally do 2 pumps. I'm not going to cut or edit this in any way. And honestly, watch what happens when you heat activate this. So all you need to do is spray it in. You can use it in wet or dry hair. Heat activate it. Now, you're not ready for this because the root lift that you get, and you can brush right through it, like there's no crispiness in my hair at all. Like the root lift is just unmatched. Want your hair to look more volumized? This is it. Obviously, this is just my fringe area. You can use it across your whole head. You can use it all the way through your hair. But yeah, if you want more volume, if you want more root lift, then this is what I recommend. It's called Raise the Root.